Continuing with the Chapter 1 study guide, use the protractor to find the measure of each angle. Classify as obtuse, right, or straight. BFC. Get my highlighter out. B to F to C. Now, kind of hard to read this. Let's see what we got here. I'm just going to use some logic. I know that that's 50 to 60 to 70, so that's 10 and 10 and then 5 more. So it's looking like that is going to be 25 degrees. And if you have a 25-degree angle, it's acute. Little is cute. DFA. DFA. This is helpful because the A is on 0. So if A is on 0, I'm going to use this top angle. This is a obtuse angle, so I wanted to use the bigger number. It's going to make more sense. That bigger number over here is 140, because it makes way more sense that this would be 140 as opposed to 40. You are smarter than the machine you're working with. All right. AFE. A to F to E. Aha! That's a straight angle. It's going to be 180 degrees, straight lines. Spell it right. I'm going to keep going to this section. Give 2 other names for angle 1. So angle 1 is talking about this. So the 2 other ways you can name that is just walk that angle. Angle ECF, and walk it the other way, FCE. The vertex always, always, always goes in the middle, and then your angle sign is also super important. If DCF, so this whole thing is 90, and DCE is 3x plus 12, FCE is 4x plus 1, find x. So that means I can do angle plus angle equals my total, which is 90. 3x plus 12 plus 4x plus 1 equals 90. Oh, I don't have space. 7x plus 13 equals 90. Minus 13 from both sides. 7x equals 77. Divide by x on both sides. X equals 11. Divide by 7 on both sides, excuse me. Classify each angle based on their measurements. So let's figure out what our measurements are. First, our easy one here, DCF, is 90. So it's a right angle. DCE. These both look like they're going to be acute, but it's also going to want us to find out the measurements. If x equals 11, I can plug that in. 3 times 11 plus 12. 33 plus 12 is 45. So this is 45 degrees. It's acute. Which means this other one also has to be 45 degrees. It also has to be acute because 45 plus 45 is 90. But let's double check our work. 4 times 11 plus 1 is 44 plus 1 is 45. Very good. I'm going to just knock out this page. Use the diagram on the left to answer the question. Because blank equals blank, we know GE is a blank. Okay. GE. It's a ray. We know that. Because 2 angles that equal each other, you see that line there and that line there, that means those 2 equal to each other. So we know DGE is equal to EGF. DGE is equal to EGF. F. Remember, you can flop the outside letters. So if you had said E, G, D is congruent to F, G, E, that's completely fine, or any combination thereof. We know that GE, so in order to cut something in half, you have to be a bisector. It is an angle bisector. It is cutting an angle in half, it is bisecting. So if CGD is 45, and the measure of EGF is 33, then find CGF. CGF is the whole thing. Well, look at this. We know EG is an angle bisector. We know that my missing angle right here has to be 33 degrees. These are congruent angles. They are the same. So I can now say 45 plus 33 plus 33 more to get my entire angle that I have in purple. 45 plus 33 plus 33 more is 111. I have it in purple. 111 degrees. 111 degrees. Keep coming back for more videos.